BBC-HBO co-production airs on Disney Hotstar in India. Highlights. His Dark Materials Season 2 to premiere November 17 in India. HBO has set November 16 debut for His Dark Materials Season 2. Season 2 is expected to begin November 15 on BBC One. His Dark Materials will return with its second season on November 17. HBO has announced that His Dark Materials Season 2, based on the second book, The Subtle Knife, in Philip Pullman's eponymous trilogy, will premiere November 16 at 9 p.m. Eastern Time on HBO and HBO Max in the US. With most HBO shows available immediately after they finish airing and US daylight savings coming to an end at the start of November, that means His Dark Materials Season 2 will begin airing November 17 around 8:30 a.m. IST on Disney Hotstar in India. There's no word on when His Dark Materials Season 2 will debut in the UK. The show is a BBC-HBO co-production and the first season aired a day prior, every Sunday, on BBC One in the UK. On the face of it, it looks like that pattern will continue with the second season, given November 16 is a Monday. That would suggest His Dark Materials Season 2 should premiere November 15 on BBC One in the UK, though there's no official confirmation on that front as yet. His Dark Materials Season 2 will premiere November 15, expectedly, on BBC One in the UK, November 16 on HBO and HBO Max in the US, and November 17 on Disney Hotstar in India. Thank you for watching.
Audio Jungle.